Hey guys, we're at Kleis Car Audio. Today we've installed a reversing camera onto the 2019 BMW 4 Series. The reverse camera sits just in the boot lid handle, just underneath here. Very nice, tidy installation as you can see. We're now inside the cockpit of the 4 Series. This car's come straight from the dealership. I'm now going to show you the screen with the reversing camera displayed. Just start her up, pop into reverse. Car will instantly bring up the reverse camera. On the screen we have moving guidelines. This will help assist you accomplish the perfect park every time. This reverse camera retrofit also allows for the integration of the parking sensors. As you reverse up to the vehicle, we have obstacle markers where you will be notified by those green boxes when you're getting close to an object. Thanks for watching this quick video on this retrofit reverse camera for this particular BMW. If it's something that you're interested in for your car, we can do many manufacturers. Get in contact. Thank you.